The TrackIt application allows you to record all merchandise in your store that does not go through your point of sale system. You can use this program to log all shrink, from outdates and damages to theft and reclaim, as well as documenting any department and store transfers, insurance claims, and donations. TrackIt lets you know where your product is going. These processes are simple, consistent, and can all be done with an FMS handheld scanning device. Start by selecting TrackIt from your Launchpad menu. There are 6 different functions within TrackIt. Shrink will help you track all product deemed unsellable. Recall can be used for items pulled by the manufacturer. Store use will track all items used in store and not sold. Reclaim is used to track items eligible for return to your warehouse. Store transfer records items being sent between stores. Insurance claim is used to process product lost due to a covered event and donation. Will track any items that are being donated and not sold. The shrink function is used to identify all product that is unsellable. Select Shrink from the TrackIt menu. Enter your user initials and select the next button above the keypad. Under the Shrink selection, you will find all of the reasons merchandise may be unsellable. These menu options are customizable to your store's preference. Next, you will need to select a scan type. You can choose from scan units for UPC items and PLU items sold as eaches, scan weight for any items with a scale label. This includes non-weighted scale labels sold by the each, enter weight for PLU items, and enter price, which allows you to scan an item and enter your own value. After you choose your reason and scan type, hit the next button in the bottom right-hand corner. You are now ready to scan your shrink. Displayed at the top of the device screen is your shrink type and your scan type. Upon scanning your first item, the device displays the item's description, UPC code, and total units scanned for that item. If you have scanned this item already, that scan will be reflected on total units. You can scan the same item again to add to the unit total or enter the total in manually. If you enter unit total with the keypad, you must use the blue check mark to save that total. Once you have the unit total that you want, you are ready to scan your next item. Anytime you wish to see all the scans you have made, select the Details button. As with other FMS applications, you can highlight any item you wish to change. TrackIt only allows you to delete items from your session. You cannot edit the quantities without scanning the item again. Select the Delete button to remove this item from your session. The scanner will ask for confirmation. Select Yes to delete the item and No to return to the Show All screen. Select the Back button to return the scanning screen. There may be times when you scan an item that is eligible for reclaim. When that happens, your device will alert you, and you must choose if you wish to continue shrinking the item or send the item back to the warehouse as a reclaim. Whatever your choice, it will be reflected when you review your scans with the Show All button. Once you have finished all your scans for your selected reason, you can change your reason without having to start a new session. Select the yellow Reason button below the UPC field to finish scanning your items. Select your new reason and change your scan type if necessary. You can now continue scanning your shrink. Again, you will see the reason and scan type updated at the top of your device. You can change your reason at any time. The Store Use feature is used to capture items that are being used in store rather than being sold through the POS. It is important to keep a record of products used in your store. If not identified and accounted for, this product becomes unknown shrink, not available for sale, and not reflected in sales figures. Begin by selecting the Store Use program within TrackIt. Enter your user initials. You will then see a menu with various options. This list is customizable to your store's preference. You will then choose a scan type. These scan types are the same as the shrink scan types. You are now ready to scan your store use items. Store transfer is very similar with 2 distinct differences. Select Store Transfer from the TrackIt menu. You will then be asked to enter the store number for the receiving store. After you input the store number that will receive the merchandise, you will choose your scan type. You are now ready to scan your store transfers. Displayed at the top of your device screen is the store number you are transferring to and your scan type. The Reclaim program allows you to send eligible items back to AWG that cannot be sold at regular retail because of product damage. Select Reclaim from the TrackIt menu. Select your vendor. AWG and HGS are the only vendors under the Reclaim option. Next, select your scan type. You're now ready to scan your reclaim items. The insurance claim program allows you to identify and record any items that are unsellable due to a covered event. From natural disasters to refrigeration failures, this program and the accompanying reports can be used to support claims made with your insurance provider. Select Insurance Claim from the TrackIt menu. Enter your user initials and select your reason and your scan type, which are the same as the previous programs covered. You're now ready to begin scanning your claim items. Many stores work to better their communities by donating items to other businesses, charities, etc. The donation program allows you to record your donated items. Select Donation from the TrackIt menu. Enter your user initials and select your scan type. You're now ready to begin scanning your donation items. Once your data has been transmitted, TrackIt will put all of this information into a report that is emailed to the store. There are daily and weekly reports for shrink, store use, and reclaim, as well as an 8-week look back at your shrink. Donation reports are only generated daily. These reports run and are sent at the same time every day and each week. Insurance claim scans and store transfers will generate and send a report as soon as they are received by TrackIt. Thank you for taking this time to learn about the TrackIt program. As always, if you have any questions, please call us at 913-402-1069 or email our help desk at gothelp@fmssolutions.com.